How to fix CapCut app freezing problem. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If your CapCut app is freezing while editing, don't worry. I'm here to help you solve that issue with some quick and easy fixes. So let's get started. For Android users, clearing the app's cache can make a big difference. Go to settings, then tap on application, then go to CapCut and then tap storage and tap clear cache. iPhone users can skip this step but may want to try restarting the app instead. Next, free up some storage. A full device can slow down apps, including CapCut. Check your iPhone storage in settings and delete any files or apps you no longer need. Having extra space can improve app performance. Next, make sure your CapCut app is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and check if there's a newer version available. Updates often come with bug fixes that can help resolve freezing issues. Next, restart your device. If the freezing continues, restart your phone. Sometimes a quick reboot is all it takes to clear out temporary issues causing the app to lag or freeze. Next, lower project quality settings. If you are editing high quality video files, try lowering the project quality in CapCut. Working with lower resolution previews can help prevent the app from freezing as you edit. And that's it. These simple steps should help you fix any freezing issues with CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any other CapCut questions. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.